Welcome to Innovin Cake and Cookies. Today I'm making a flavorful green mango Kashmiri pickle without sunlight and without oil. This pickle is sweet, tangy, mildly spicy, and beautifully coated with aromatic roasted spices. A perfect homemade summer special recipe. Let's start the recipe. Take 1 kg green mango. Peel the mangoes. Kashmiri style pickles are known for their balanced sweet and spicy taste. And cut them into small round pieces. Remove the seeds carefully. Use farm raw mangoes for best texture. Now pour the mango pieces into a bowl. Add 1 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 cup vinegar. Mix everything well and keep aside for 30 minutes. Vinegar helps preserve pickle naturally. In a pan, add 3 dry red chilies, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon coriander seed, and half teaspoon pachforon. Roast on low heat while stirring continuously for about 30 seconds. Roasted spices create deep aroma and flavor. Now blend the spices coarsely. Raw mango contains vitamin C and antioxidants. Homemade pickles are fresher and preservative-free. Using no oil makes the recipe lighter. Traditional spices naturally enhance flavor and aroma. Now transfer the mango mixture into a pan. Cook on medium heat for about 5 to 6 minutes. Add half teaspoon chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. Mix well. Slowly the mango pieces will become slightly transparent and glossy. Add the roasted masala into the mango mixture. Mix everything well. This recipe needs no sunlight and no oil. Do not overcook the mango pieces. Cook until the sugar syrup becomes slightly thicker. Remove from the heat and cool completely before storing. Your delicious green mango Kashmiri pickle is ready. Enjoy this sweet and tangy pickle with rice, paratha or snacks. Try this recipe and share your feedback in the comments. Follow Innovin Cake and Cookies for more easy homemade recipes.